In this brand new method, I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube Shorts and all the views that you can potentially get. As you know, YouTube Shorts is very popular and trending right now, and I'm going to show you how to tap into this viral, huge traffic source and monetize our videos with CPA marketing offers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube Shorts and CPA marketing. Now the best part is that you don't need to do any sales, you don't need to show your face in any of the videos, you don't even need to record your voice or record any of the content yourself. Now this method is very easy, and I'm going to show you step by step, click by click, what you must do and how you yourself can make these viral videos and monetize them with CPA offers. Now this method could potentially make you tens of thousands of dollars per month, and I'm also going to show you an awesome bonus at the end of this video on how you can 10x your sales with this method, so make sure to stick with me till the end of the video. Hey guys, my name is Damien Belak. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because this channel is all about business and marketing. Also, make sure to like this video below to support this channel. Now this is a brand new method that no one on YouTube has done before, and I'm also going to share an awesome bonus with you guys at the end of the video that's going to help you make 10x more sales and 10x your traffic with this method. Now before we get started with the tutorial, I have decided I'm going to bring back my CPA marketing course giveaway. So guys, if you're feeling lucky, make sure to follow all of these 5 steps to get enrolled. So number 1, make sure to subscribe. Number 2, smash the like button below this video. Number 3, comment giveaway in the comment section below. Number 4, share this video with your friends on social media. And number 5, you must watch this video all the way to the end. My course is packed with modules, and it's a very good course for beginners that are looking to make money online with CPA marketing using free marketing strategies. So guys, if you're feeling lucky, then make sure to follow all of these 5 steps, and without further ado, let's get started with the video. Now as you can see on screen, I have searched for hashtag shorts just to show you how many views or how many thousands of views these YouTubers are getting for these 20 to 30 second silly videos. Okay, so for example, this one has 400,000 views, this one has 70,000 views, this one has 300,000 views. So these are huge amounts of views. And in this video, my main goal is going to be to show you how to create videos just like this that could potentially go viral and how you can monetize these videos with CPA offers. So this leads me to step number 2, and that's to find an offer that we can start promoting. So before we create the content, before we upload it to YouTube, we want to obviously pick an offer that we're going to be promoting. So I have an awesome hack for you guys, and that's to go to offervault.com. Now OfferVault is a huge database of all different types of CPA affiliate offers. Now if you search for something like giveaway, okay, you're gonna see a bunch of CPA and affiliate offers. So this one, healthy living freebies, US cost per lead 125. So this means every time somebody comes to your link to this offer and enters their email address, you get to make $1.25. So that's why I said that you don't have to do any sales in this video. Nobody has to purchase, nobody has to take out their credit card or anything like that. All they have to do is enter their email address, or they can download a simple mobile application or game, and that's where you make the small commission. Now, you do make only like $1, $2, or $3 per conversion, but since they don't have to purchase, it's super high converting. So per 100 visitors, 10 to 20 people are gonna convert. So that's why I love CPA marketing. Now this is just the first option, and in order to actually promote this offer, you have to go to this network. So this is a network, you have to sign up to the network, and then you can start promoting this offer. The second option is to go to a network like CPA Lead or CPA Grip or MaxBounty. if you have an account, and you can directly grab the offer from there. So CPA Elite is free to use, free to sign up, so you can go to this website, you can create a free account. So I'm going to use MaxBounty myself because this is my favorite network by far. So I'm going to go to offers, search, and I'm going to filter these offers based on the categories, and I'm going to choose sweepstakes because that's what I feel like I want to promote. So I'm going to apply the search, and here you can see a bunch of sweepstakes. So you want to filter these by EPC, and this means earnings per click. And here you can see the best converting sweepstakes. Okay, so the iPhone 12 Pro, this is a cost per lead in the UK. So you have to get UK visitors to enter their email address on this offer. Okay, so you can be from anywhere in the world, but the traffic you get has to be from the UK for this offer. Now, after doing a bit of research on this product, I found that on the second page, they have to have their credit card info input. So this is not a good offer. We want a basic email submit. So we're gonna also do that. Now, I like to promote USA offers. So the geography is United States for me, and I'm gonna click apply search. Now I can do EPC, okay? And we can see that opinion share, this is the one I just mentioned. And let's see this one, iPhone 13 vouchers avenue. So get a chance to win the new iPhone 13. And this is a one-time single opt-in offer. And we can use social traffic. So YouTube is social traffic. Now we can start using this offer. So social, raw link, and I'm gonna copy it. And this is the landing page. Okay, so copy the link. And we're gonna use this in just a second. So the easy part is done. We have the offer, but now we have to create the actual video. So in order to do that, you have to go to canva.com. This is a free tool. It's obviously paid as well, but you can start completely for free. And when you come to Canva, all you have to do is click on mobile video. Okay, so click on mobile video. And here is where we actually create the video. So click on it. We can close this. So what you want to do now is head over to Google and download an iPhone image. So I have just done that. So I'm going to upload it. It's right here. And I'm going to click open. Now you can see that I can just click on it and drag and make it bigger so it looks nice. Now we can click on text, add a heading. You can drag it up here. And add something like how to get a free iPhone 12. You can even change the font. So let's just do Oswald. Okay, we can make it bold. And it looks nice. Now you can animate the text. So just click on it, click on animate, and something like shift or fade or typewriter, or you can do burst or bounce, or you can do a rise. So it's completely up to you how you edit this entire video, but make sure to make it look nice so it looks clean. So this is our first scene, and when we click on the play button, it looks something like this. Okay, now we can make the scene shorter for like 3 seconds, and we can add new scenes. So I'm just gonna finish up the entire video for you guys. I'm gonna make a 15-20 second video. I'm not going to show you every scene step by step because this video would be way too long. So I'm going to finish up all the scenes right now, and I'm going to show you how the finished video looks like. Alright, so I just finished up with the video. So it should look something like this. Alright, so this is the first scene, how to get a free iPhone 12. It's really easy to enter. Scene number 3 is click the link in the description to enter. And scene number 4 is subscribe to my channel for more ways to win money and products. So the scene 4 is a bonus, so people subscribe and see more of our videos that we're gonna upload in the future. So as you can see, this is super easy, and all of this is entirely like 12 seconds, 3, 6, 9, 12 seconds, the entire video. So when you play it, it looks something like this. Now obviously you want to play around with it a bit more. I just made this in just like a few minutes, but make sure to make it nice. Play around with the text, the colors, add a bit of value in the video. And right now I'm also going to show you how to add background music so it sounds exciting. So all you have to do is click on more, click on audio, and here are your free music themes. So I'm obviously pro user, a pro Canva user. I have a paid plan, so I can use any of these. So all I have to do is just drag it down here. All right, and stretch it out. And now you should have background music. So really just play around with the video, make it look exciting, make it look nice, and now is our time to upload it to YouTube. So click on download, MP4 video, all 4 pages, and click on download. Now go to YouTube and click on create and click on upload video. And we're gonna click on the video that we have saved to our desktop. So select files, select the video, and open it. Now for the title, we want to add something catchy, something a bit clickbaity. So this hack wins you a free iPhone 12. And also make sure to add hashtag shorts. Now for the description, here is where we add our affiliate link. Enter giveaway and grab the affiliate link from MaxBounty. Now before we do that, you can also go to bit.ly.com and shorten it. So click on create, enter inside here. Okay, source is YouTube. So because we're promoting this with YouTube, click on create and save. So now we can copy it, go back to our YouTube and paste the link inside there. We can even do something like giveaway emoji so it looks nice. Okay, or the present, and add it inside here. So obviously you want to wait until it's done processing and uploading, and you want to add the thumbnail. So just add the thumbnail from one of the sections from the video. So you can choose one of these 3. It's completely up to you, and you can click on next. Monetization is off. You don't need that because we're going to be monetizing it with a CPA offer. Click on next. Okay. Click on next. And now you can click on public and publish the video. Now to show you a real life example of someone that is doing this very well and consistently is smartphone offers. Look at this, guys. He's posting like 1, 2, 3, 4 videos every single day, and I mean not every single video is getting views. These are like low views, but then again you can see here 200 views, and then when you scroll down 1000 views, when you scroll down even more 1300 views, when you scroll down 1100 views, 1400 views, 1400 views. So this is a bunch of views coming in from YouTube Shorts, and he is staying consistent. So as you can see, he's posting 4 to 5 videos every single day for the last couple of 2 weeks, and you know why he's doing that, guys? Because it's working for him. So this is just a life example that this really does work. If it didn't work, this person wouldn't be uploading 4 videos every single day. So guys, this is a real life example that this stuff works. Now bear in mind, you have to stay consistent. Not every video is gonna get like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 views, but I promise you guys, if you stay consistent, one of the videos is gonna blow up, and that video by itself can make you thousands of dollars in commissions. Now this is the bonus that you have been waiting for. Now if you want to 10x your monthly income and 10x your traffic, you can simply pay for a shout out. So you can create a video and then you can pay someone to upload it on their channel. So as you can see, this Unbox Sense channel is posting videos about unboxing iPhones, MacBooks, and all of these different types of products. So you can go to About, okay, and you can view the email address of this YouTube channel, and you can contact him directly and ask for a shout out. So for this type of channel, he's getting like, a couple thousand views on each video. You can pay like $5 to $10 depending on his rates, and you can send him your downloaded video. He's gonna upload it for you, and boom, 1,000 people are gonna see it just like this. So guys, if you wanna 10x your monthly income, 10x your traffic, just go to Shorts, iPhone, and search for these types of YouTube channels. You know, get a list of 10 channels. You can even go with the bigger ones like 10, 20, 30, 50,000 subscribers. Obviously, they're going to be more expensive, but you want to do this with a bunch of channels, 5 to 10 channels, and you want to start posting your videos on their channels. Okay, so obviously this is going to require like $100 investment, but you can completely test this out, and I guarantee you guys this stuff works. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that hidden emoji somewhere in this video, and I want you to comment down below what you think about this method. And if you're going to try it out, make sure to let me know. And also, if you decide to try it out, make sure to send me our YouTube channel and I'm going to check it out, guys, for myself. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found value, and I hope you're going to take action and start implementing this method, because guys, just like I showed you with the live example, this stuff works. This marketing strategy works, and you can potentially make tens of thousands of dollars per month if you do this consistently with the right offers. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this CPA marketing YouTube Shorts video, and I'll see you in the next one.